Good everyone. This is the UBI. What is UBI? UBI is a universal basic income. The idea behind UBI is that every household will at least earn $1 per day. But this blockchain platform is not going to give you up to that per day, but at least you can be sure that you are going to get between between 20 cents to 50 cents per day. Okay, so I'm going to be doing more of this video. I'm going to be telling you more about all kinds of UBI that exist on the blockchain, so that you can benefit from it. So there are about 5 other UBI platforms that I would love to share with you. So if you want to get a notification when I drop these videos, please subscribe to this channel now and like this video. So let's get started. So open the Play Store on your phone if you are using an Android phone. Then search for MYUBI. Okay, so because I already have this mobile app on my phone, I will not be able to download it again. Alright, so you have to download the mobile app, follow the simple instruction, then try and do the necessary verification. The verification part is quite important because the solution provider do not want a situation whereby people will start gaming the system by creating multiple accounts. So they're expecting one person to have an account, not one person having up to 20 accounts in order to game the system. Okay, so that's the core reason why you have to verify your account. So, and the beauty of this is that once you have the app, your wallet is in there, and the wallet that you have automatically qualifies as your Ethereum wallet, because the public key and the private keys will be generated within the app, and you can import it into other ERC20 platforms. Okay, like ImToken, Trust Wallet, Naira Wallet, and so on. So that's it. Now I'm going to launch this now. I'm going to open the app so that you can see. Now there is a countdown on my screen that says that in the next 9 hour, 13 minutes and a few seconds, I will be able to claim this token once again. So you have to take note of that. And one thing you can do is that you can set a reminder on your phone so that once you claim it now, probably in the next 24 hours, you have a reminder on standby that will keep reminding you to claim the token every day. So don't keep this to yourself, please. Share this video with your friends so that they can have an idea of how to go about it. So I'm going to create, in case you have any question you want to ask, please drop a comment or ask your question on WhatsApp. If you're getting this link from WhatsApp or from Facebook or anywhere you're getting the link from, send me a message and ask me the question. So hopefully in the next few hours I will be able to get someone's phone and do a video on how you can verify instantly and get the wallet instantly as well. So that's it, guys. Enjoy this UBI while it lasts. Okay, thank you.